Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the autocomplete function in Excel and an option that Excel offers which is really handy when you have a certain kind of situation. So let's take a look at this in Excel. So here's our scenario. I have this data set here and you can see I have model, date, description, etc. And if I go down to the bottom, and I go to type in, for example, New Orleans here, and I type in N, since it's the only word in that column that begins with an N, Excel will autocomplete that. I hit enter, great. If I type in A, Austin pops up. That's wonderful. If I type in Tulsa, I type in T, nothing happens, U, nothing happens. L, finally Tulsa comes up. And the reason that is because I also have Tucson here. So I have to keep entering characters until I come to a unique entry, and then Excel will find that option in the column above and autofill it. Now, to have autofill turned on, you need to go to your File menu, down to Options, and then go to Advanced, and there is an option here that says Enable Autocomplete for cell values. Now, but what happens if you have this scenario? Notice in the model column, I have everything that starts with 121 RDBP and then a 3-digit character. So if I want to enter, for example, the BP 121, I start typing 121-RD-BP 1, 2, and it finally auto completes that because there are other ones that begin with everything except that last character. And typing that in becomes very time consuming. But if I want to do it a quicker way, I can certainly find the option I want, copy it, come down here, right click and paste that. Certainly that's an option. But one thing that's even quicker is using the keyboard shortcut Alt and down arrow. If I hold down my Alt key and hit the down arrow, Excel will give me a list of all the unique items above. Now I only need to select that item and it will populate it. I can go down, hit Alt down arrow, scroll down to the next one I want, hit enter. Again, Alt down arrow, choose the one I want and hit enter. And that's a much quicker autocomplete option when you have a lot of characters or a lot of entries that have a very similar beginning, and you don't want to have to type all those in manually for Excel to autocomplete those. And that's how you can do this in Excel.
And there you have it. I hope you like what you see. If you do like what you see here, please take a minute to share this post on your favorite social network. I can be found on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to stop by my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. So have a great day and happy excelling.